HP printer frozen, offline, or just ignoring everything you send it. 60 seconds, let's fix it. Start with a power reset and do it the right way. With the printer still on, pull the power cord out of the back of the printer, not out of the wall. Wait 60 full seconds. Unplug your router while you're waiting. Then plug the printer straight into a wall outlet, not a surge strip, and let it boot all the way up. That alone clears most offline and phantom jam errors. Still stuck? Reset just the network. On the touchscreen, go to Setup, Network Setup, Restore Network Defaults. That wipes only the Wi-Fi settings. A full factory reset lives under Setup, then Tools or Printer Maintenance, then Restore Factory Defaults. Here's the one that gets everybody. A factory reset does not undo a firmware update. If your printer started rejecting third-party cartridges after an update, resetting won't bring them back. Turn off automatic firmware updates in the printer's web settings instead. More printer fixes at Castle Inc.